My name is Jacob, and today I'm going to be showing you how to put Bootstrap into your IOcoin wallet so that the IOcoin blockchain can synchronize faster. So first, if you already have the IOcoin wallet opened like me, make sure you go here and it's gonna ask you this. Make sure you say no. Then go to your favorite browser and wait for it to load up. Alright, so now that it's loaded up, you're going to want to type in iocoin.io, and that's going to take you into the IOcoin website. Scroll all the way down to decentralized wallets and Bootstrap. Then the Bootstrap is going to be right here. Press it and wait for it to download. It's around 3 gigabytes, so it would take a minute or two. So my Bootstrap just finished installing, so now I'm going to go and I'm going to extract it. I'm gonna wait for it. Okay, so now that it's extracted, what I'm going to do is open another window here. I'm going to go into the library for my computer. I'm going to go to the application support. I'm going to find IOcoin, should be right here, and this is the folder where my wallet is. So now open up the Bootstrap folder, and these are going to be the 3 files, and you notice this one is the same as this, and this one is the same as that. But for the wallet, you're going to want to delete both of these and put that in the trash. All 3 files that are here, you're going to want to put them in the wallet, and that's it. So once there's nothing here, you can close that. You can close that. You don't need to do anything here anymore, so you can close the browser if you want. Now go back into the IOcoin wallet and wait for it to load. Since we just put in the Bootstrap, it also might take a while for it to load into the wallet. Here's my wallet. We're gonna load into it. Wallet finished loading, and if we go here to the little connection bars, your Bootstrap should make the text look like that. So right now I have 4 connections, which is good. There's the block count and then the serious. The block count, for the block count, you can go to this website, the IOcoin Blockchain Explorer, and these are going to be the number of blocks. Now it should be the same for the wallet's block count. It might not be the same, but don't worry because it can synchronize eventually. So that's going to be it for installing the Bootstrap.